How to change the display appearance where the camera cutout is right up here at the top section area here. And this is for the Samsung Galaxy A34 smartphone. Let's get started. To get into these settings, use the quick panel access. You can pull it down once or twice. Just make sure you see the settings right up here. And as you tap on that, you'll be taken to the main settings of your A34 smartphone. Once here, go down until you see display. And under display section here, you're going down to the part that will say camera cutout. In the camera cutout section here, you'll see all the apps that's compatible with this feature here, and you'll simply just go down the list and adjust it for whether you want it to be in auto, to hide the camera cutout, or show the camera cutout. And I'll just give you a quick example with the calculator app here. You got auto, show, and hide. So if I switch it to hide here, when I open up the camera, I'm sorry, the calculator app, we'll go into it, and you'll notice there's this black bar up here to the top, okay? So when you make these changes, that's what's gonna happen. So if I go back to show now and go here, you'll notice it's showing the cutout itself. So that's how you would do it. Like, sub, thanks for watching.